Since Polyvance introduced nitrogen plastic welding technology to the auto collision repair industry in 2006, we have sold more welders and trained more shops in their use than all of our competitors combined. In 2016, we introduced our 5th generation welders with a full range of product features that make them the most versatile and easy to use on the market. You can trust Polyvance to provide you the equipment and training to profit from plastic repair. But first of all, what is nitrogen plastic welding? It's the latest technology for repairing thermoplastic parts such as bumper covers, headlight tabs, overflow and washer bottles, inner fender liners, and so on. All of these non-structural plastic parts give you more profitable repair opportunities that can also improve your repair versus replace percentage and reduce your average severity. By using hot nitrogen gas to melt the plastic, there's no oxidation or burning of the plastic during the repair process, creating the strongest weld possible. Think of it like TIG welding for plastic. Melting the plastic with a shielding gas makes for a clean, strong weld. Polyvance's Nitrofuser line of nitrogen plastic welders are the most advanced and fully featured on the market. Each Nitrofuser welder consists of a 16-gauge USA manufactured steel cabinet, oversized steel rivets and screws throughout, and a sturdy cabinet-mounted tool holster. They also feature an ergonomic welder handle and a melt-proof silicone hose. Every Nitrofuser includes digital encoders to precisely control the temperature of the nitrogen and airless welders. Precision regulators coupled to a direct reading flow gauge give you precise control over gas flow in the welding process. Finally, a low-pressure safety switch helps prevent the heating element from overheating if the gas flow drops too low. Every new Polyvance Nitrofuser welder purchase also includes a free courtesy training session from a factory-trained instructor at your location, access to our online training library, free unlimited phone tech support, and a one-time 50% discount on Polyvance's PR01 training course, which can be redeemed for 3 training credits from the ICAR Industry Training Alliance. We have 3 different welders to meet your level of need and your budget. Our 6085 Nitrofuser welder is our most basic nitrogen welder. It is a standalone system with no cart. It features an automatic air to nitrogen holster switch and a fully plumbed nitrogen regulator and hose. It comes with one welding rod organizer case filled with a variety of natural polypropylene welding rods. Our 6085-C Nitrofuser welder comes with everything you need to get productive right away, doing the fastest, strongest repairs on virtually any type of plastic. It features a fully assembled 16-gauge USA manufactured welding cart, an automatic air to nitrogen holster switch, a fully plumbed nitrogen regulator and hose, an air manifold for attachment of the air hose, adjustable nitrogen bottle supports, and compartmentalized welding rod and tool storage areas. It also comes with 3 welding rod organizer cases, a large selection of welding rods, the Bumper Mate 2 workstation, a hand seamer tool, and aluminum tape. Our 6080 CG is the top-of-the-line nitrogen welder. This welder comes with its own NitroCell nitrogen generator. This advanced membrane generator extracts the oxygen from your shop's compressed air supply, providing nitrogen continuously at 97% purity. The NitroCell generator eliminates the need for compressed nitrogen bottles for much greater convenience and less hassle. It also features a fully assembled 16-gauge USA manufactured welding cart, an air manifold for attachment of the air hose, and compartmentalized welding rod and tool storage areas. It also comes with 3 welding rod organizer cases, a large selection of welding rods, the Bumper Mate 2 workstation, a hand seamer tool, aluminum tape, our bumper pliers kit, a nitrogen welding system cover, a nitrogen tire filling adapter kit, and 2 carbide cutting burrs. No matter which of our nitrogen welders you choose, it will be sure to get the job done.